plus 1, and then it's supposed to equal negative 341.
Yeah, okay. You said negative?
Yeah, negative 341 is what it's supposed to equal.
Okay.
For both of you, have you already done drop
So no matter what, you would never actually get that.
past field drawings? Yep,
Okay.
triangles.
So, like, you know how to do this,
Yep,
right?
past angles.
You know
Cross
how
off, no cross off angles for you. You hold on, you have to
you know how to do
those.
this, right?
Yeah, sure.
Do the rest.
Yeah. So, like, you know how you gotta make like the big like line and then do all that stuff.
Oh, yeah, I know how to do that.
So I just found a little shortcut where you go.
You forgot to divide by 2.
Oh.
That's why you got both of those wrong.
Yeah.
So you didn't divide your triangle by 2.
So we gotta go.
Base times height divided by 2.
Oh no, it's negative.
No. Rectangle quadrilaterals you don't. Four-sided is just base times height. It's the triangle. But that means you had the right idea.
Yeah.
That's why you got this one wrong. It's 250. All right.
That's exciting.
Okay. So then that's it. That's your chapter 10 updated, and I will get you the rest of it this afternoon.
Yeah. 40 divided by 25.
So then you added these to negative 5. Change that to plus.
Plus 48 in.
Yep.
And then
Okay,
I
now
would
what?
divide this by this.
No. What 2 numbers do you have to get rid of? What 2 numbers are canceling?
We're trying to cancel the 48.
And the negative 5.
5.
Which
So
one do
we-
you cancel first?
The negative 5.
The negative 5.
Wait.
How do we cancel a negative 5? What's the opposite?
Subtract 5.
The opposite of a negative is a minus.
Oh, no. Plus
There
5.
you go. Slow down.
Will you check mine?
Yeah, can we just nitpick it? Right, that's fine. Otherwise it's correct.
So 48 plus 48. No, divide.
Hold on. Where's your variable?
Right here.
Slow down. Yeah.
The answer.
Okay, so we have x, negative 11, y, good, x, y, x squared, minus 11xy.
Oh man, that doesn't work. Guys, what times 48? Or what is 48? 6. 8 times 6, but that doesn't work for my stuff.
Not me just hoping the pen doesn't touch the paper.
It doesn't mean anything directly.
Yes, it does. I mean, it means I got it wrong.
Oh, okay.
And that's what I hate, because I hate suspense.
Okay. Oh. These are the ones that take a while. 4 times 2 is 8 over 7, yes. 1, negative 2. 2/3 negative. Yeah, negative.
Oh, the calculator is wrong then.
Operator error. Operator error. Calculator can only do so much.
I mean, I put it in right.
But Morgan, I think it's your signs on these. It's not the number, it's the sign.
Great.
All of your signs are backwards.
Oh,
Tell me how you put it in the calculator, because my guess is that's what it is. What'd you do?
I did y divided by negative.
That's why. So, did you notice? So, I solved it out, right? That's the long way. And then I know Jacob came and checked his shortcut with me. You missed one step in the shortcut. So, since if you're doing it the long way, you know how we have to solve for x by itself?
Yeah.
When you do that, we move the y-intercept over first, so your sign changes. Your sign's the opposite. So, if you're going to do the shortcut, you need to do negative y-intercept divided by. And that would fix it.